Margaret Newman's theory of health is expanding consciousness. Biography.
Born on October 10, 1933 in Memphis, Tennessee.
Bachelor's degree in Home Economics and in English in 1954.
Bachelor's degree in Nursing University of Tennessee 1962.
Master's degree University of California in 1964.
Doctorate New York University in 1971.
She has worked in University of Tennessee, New York University, Pennsylvania State University.
Died on December 18, 2018.
Career. Teacher at New York University.
Martha Rogers, her mentor and teacher, inspired by Martha Rogers. 1978 Theory of Health as Expanding Consciousness.
And in 1996, she retired and she named as the Living Legend.
Theoretical source: Martha Rogers, Theory of Unitary Human Being. Isaac Bentov, Concept of Evolution of Consciousness.
Arthur Young, Theory of Process. David Bohm, The Theory of Implicate. This helps an individual, family, or community focus on one's pattern. 9 pattern of interaction. Dimension of choosing. Dimension of communicating. Dimension of exchanging. Dimension of feeling. Dimension of moving.
Dimension of knowing, dimension of perceiving, dimension of relating, dimension of valuing.
Major assumptions.
Health encompasses condition described as illness or pathology. Pathological, considered as a manifestation of the total pattern of the individual.
Pathology is primary and exists prior to structural or functional changes. Removal of pathology will not change the pattern of an individual.
If becoming ill is the only way an individual pattern can manifest, then health is for person.
Health is expansion of consciousness. Overviewing Newman's health is expanding consciousness. Newman's theory embraces a unitary and transformative paradigm of nursing as caring in human health experience. After elaborating her idea, 3 books were published in order.
Major concept: health is an evolving and unitary pattern of the whole, including patterns of disease.
Consciousness is the informational capacity of the whole and is revealed in the evolving pattern.
Pattern identify the person-environment process and is characterized by meaning.
Pattern recognition is the insight or recognition of the principle, realization of truth, or reconciliation of a duality, and is key to a process of evolving to a higher level of consciousness. And this is the pattern.
Three correlates of consciousness. Movement of matter a means for communicating, perceiving reality, and self-awareness.
Time, subjective and objective.
Space, personal, inner and life space relevant to individual and shared space.
Rhythm, basic to movement. Rhythm is an integrating experience.
Diversity, seen in the past. So this is the 3 correlate consciousness pattern.
The paradigm shift from treatment of a symptom to a search for a pattern.
From viewing diseases and disruption as negative to viewing them as part of the self-organizing process of expanding consciousness.
From viewing the nursing role as addressing the problem of diseases to assisting people to get in touch with their own pattern of expanding consciousness. Definition of the main concept: health,
Nursing,
person,
environment.
health. Health is an illness are synthesized as health, the fusion of one state of being, disease, with its opposite, non-disease, result in what can be regarded as health.
Nursing is caring in the human health experience. Nursing is seen as partnership between the nurse and client, with both grow in the sense of higher levels of consciousness.
Person or human. The human is unitary, that it cannot be divided into parts and is inseparable from a larger unitary field. Person as individual and human being as a species are identified by their patterns of consciousness. Person are center of consciousness with the oval pattern of expanding consciousness. So for Margaret Newman, she mentioned that person is cannot be divided into parts and is inseparable.
Environment. Environment is described as a universe of open system. Within human's theory, environment is defined as the longer whole. It contains the consciousness of person and how the person interact within the pattern of family and community.
Strength and weaknesses.
Can be applied in any setting, generate caring and intervention. Used in over 30 research study internationally related to nursing, Smith 2011.
Has been used to improve nursing protocols and practice Musker and Kagan 2011 provide guidelines and potential for the nurses to practice more holistic care. And these are the weakness. Abstract definition.
Multidimensional.